Look, if you want some tender, juicy, and flavorful chicken thighs, this recipe right here, this is it, y'all. It is so delicious. So I'm going in with a very simple seasoning, something that's garlic and herb. And this is something real quick because I have had a very long day of cooking, cleaning, and all kind of stuff, all the above. So if you're looking for something very quick, easy to put together that you don't have to be over a hot stove, this is the recipe for you. So let's get right into it. Like I said, you just want to get very simple seasoning. And of course, you don't have to use garlic and herb. You can use Cajun seasoning. You can use salt and pepper. You can also diversify this recipe in multiple different ways. You can use this for chicken quesadillas. You can use this for maybe a pasta. You can use this for tacos. You can use this for almost any type of dish that you think that you and your family would absolutely love. This is so easy and simple for you to create and repurpose multiple times. And also stick around to the very end because I have an amazing tip that's going to help you save a lot of time for the future and to also infuse additional flavors. I'm going in with the olive oil and I'm going to put it here into my air fryer for about 40 minutes. I set it, but I really took it out right at the 30-minute mark. Mine is at 350. You need to do what works for you, and it will pay off. Yes, this is delicious, very juicy and flavorful. And the major tip here is you want to make sure all the juices that go at the bottom, you save that. Don't you dare put that in the garbage because it is liquid gold. Now, I would love to give you some more tips, but honey, we got to go. I have to eat all of this food and give it to my family. Like and subscribe.